Hello guys, so today is Sunday and it's almost over, but I do still have some things to do, so I'm planning to prepare something for lunch and something for breakfast, and I think it will be waffles, zucchini waffles with cheese. So I'm happy to share this recipe with you, and let's start. Okay, so here we have the zucchini, then I will need salsa and cheese and also 2 eggs. The temperature is quite warm. Also, I have a little helper here. I have Bobby. She really likes this warm weather, this hot summer, and yeah, she likes to stay in the kitchen, and yeah, she really enjoys this weather. The only family member who enjoys it. And now it's time to grate our zucchini. Okay, so our zucchini is ready, and I'm adding a bit of salt, and we will leave zucchini for, I think, for around 10 minutes, just to wait for the juice, because as you know, zucchini have quite a lot of juice and we do not want our waffles become too soft. So our zucchini is quite juicy now, and let's get rid of this juice. Let's preheat our waffle maker. I have the silver press. I'd say it's a popular brand that you can buy like a lot of stuff with this brand in Lidl supermarkets. The quality is quite nice. Now it is time to add other ingredients. I am adding the cheese. You can add any cheese that you like. I'd like to add some salsa and green onion. And I added 2 soup spoons of flour, and I will add 1 egg for now. And I will add some grounded pepper. Let's now mix it. Okay, our waffle maker is ready. I'm adding just a bit of butter. Well, the surface isn't sticky, it's just to have more butter taste. Okay. Let's do our first portion of waffles and see the result. So I will put a timer for 8 minutes and then show you the result. Okay, so the first portion is this one that you see on the plate. This is due to the fact that I changed the flour, and it was too soft and it wasn't ready at all, like in 8 minutes. And then I decided to return to my classic recipe. I added more 2 spoons of corn flour, and yeah, we can see that the second portion of waffles went way more better. Okay, so our waffles are ready. Bon appetit! So since we have finished preparing the waffles, now we can get to the lunch preparations, and I decided to make teriyaki chicken with vegetables, and I have this sweet teriyaki sauce. It's ready to be cooked and ready to be added to all your ingredients. Yeah, so now I will start cutting and preparing everything. We don't want to chop them really finely, so we need some medium ones. Okay, and then I will cut them like in half. And now I'm going to chop the onion. Also, we have a new helper here. He is resting in tomatoes. Are you chilling here? Chilling. And I will cut the chicken thighs in half. Also, I have 1 chicken breast. So I'm cutting them in half just because to make them get marinated in the sauce in a better way. So now I'm preheating the pan and adding some olive oil, and we will fry. First we will fry the onions. Once they get softer, I will add the pepper, and then we will add the sauce, the teriyaki sauce. While we are waiting, let's enjoy the sunset. And now we can add our pepper. And I have almost forgotten for the third ingredient, which is carrot. Well, I do not have a fresh carrot. I have frozen carrot, but it is chopped perfectly for the teriyaki. So let's add carrot to our onion, to our pepper, and let's keep it for now on a pan. The sunset today is truly beautiful. I think it's time to add our sauce. Also, I decided to add onion to make it more spicy, to have a more Asian spicy taste. Also, I have a piri piri sauce, and I will add yeah, a few drops because my husband, he likes the spicy food. Let's mix it. And I'm ready to add the teriyaki sauce. Well, I do not remember how much I add. Let's add like 3 soup spoons for now, and let's mix everything together. Move our vegetables to a plate and cook the chicken, because I think it's better to be cooked separately, so we get like a better result, so it will not be raw. So I'm adding my chicken to a pan and will fry it here together with the chicken breasts. Let's turn it to another side, and we can see it's brown and crispy. Not brown, golden. We don't want it to be really brown. We don't want to burn our chicken. And I think it is time to add our vegetables to the meat. So we don't want the temperature to be really high. We are lowering it, so the chicken and the vegetables, they can stew. And yeah, we can leave them for around 15-20 minutes and then check. But I think I will also add more piri piri, so the chicken can be more spicy in this case. And I will add more teriyaki sauce. And the most important thing that I have forgotten is to add some salt. Let's do that. Let's mix first with the sauces that we added. Yeah, looks really creamy. Really glamorous. And I'm adding the salt. Let's mix it once again. Smells really nice and really tasty. Well, the bad news is that the cooking surface is quite dirty, but what can I do? Okay, let's wait for it to stew for 10-15 minutes and let's check in again. Well, I think it is ready and we can finish our preparation, and that's it for today. Thanks for being with me and helping to prepare all the meals. I hope you enjoyed the recipes and maybe you will try anything from that. And I will be happy to hear your comments and reviews. See you in the next vlog. Ciao.